Today, I am going to introduce Eazybe's Bitrix CRM integration with WhatsApp Web. This is a two-way sync integration that gives you a mini Bitrix CRM view inside WhatsApp Web, making Bitrix easily accessible. And also backs up your WhatsApp Web conversations inside Bitrix CRM. As you can see, I've already got my WhatsApp Web logged in and I have Eazybe installed. So what I need to do is click on the integrations icon here and click on Connect to Bitrix 24. You will be presented with something like this. So I'm going to click on the network that I'm currently using on Bitrix and complete the authentication. Post which you can see there's a Bitrix icon here, and if I click on that and click on a contact, let's say this one, I'll be prompted with this sidebar which has all the details here, such as the profile section, activity section, comment section and task section. I can create a task here, let's say a test task, and provide a description, and a deadline as well. And once I save this task, I'll be able to see this on Bitrix as well. If I click on this icon here, I can view this contact on Bitrix as well as in the activity section. I'll be able to see that I've created an activity here and will be able to manage tasks and contacts as well as activities and comments right from the extension itself, as shown. We also offer WhatsApp chat backup in this format to CRM, where chats back up in cycles of every 15 minutes, and they'll start from the minute you connect this contact to the contact on Bitrix and integrate the CRM with WhatsApp. And now I'm going to be showing you how to use Bitrix with WhatsApp if you have the classic CRM active. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on a contact and I'm going to click on the Bitrix icon. And here, as you can see, this contact does not exist on Bitrix. So I can create a lead based on that, and I can provide stages as well. In progress, and create a lead. And once that lead is created, you'll be able to see all the features here, all the properties, including the activity section, comment section and the task section. I'll create a dummy task here and provide a deadline. And once this task is created, I'll be able to view this task on Bitrix as well. In order to convert this contact, to convert this lead to a deal, you'll have to click on the View Lead on Bitrix icon and convert this lead into a deal. So if I click on the deal icon here, I'll be able to convert this lead to a deal. And once this lead is converted to a deal, all I need to do is switch this chat and I'll be able to see this contact in the deals platform. And I can manage deals from here, and I can change stages as well. Deal stage 2, let's say, deal lost or deal won, and I click on save, and these changes will be visible on the CRM as well as on WhatsApp. We also offer chat backup for Bitrix in both deals, contacts and leads. Wherever the contact is present, the chats will keep backing up in cycles of 15 minutes. Eazybe Bitrix CRM integration not only makes Bitrix CRM easily accessible inside WhatsApp Web, but also backs up your WhatsApp Web conversations at regular intervals inside Bitrix CRM.